Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the error code 0x800701e3 when attempting to install Windows on your computer. So the full error message reads, "Unexpected error is keeping you from creating the folder. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code to search for help with this problem." With the error code 0x800701e3, the request failed due to a fatal device hardware error. So this error 0x800701e3 often occurs when performing a hard disk or SD card operations that involves copying or moving documents or files from a hard disk or SD card. And multiple reasons that cause this fatal hardware device error are loose cable connections, failing peripherals, faulty system hardware, bad disk stores on WD external hard drive, and physical damage to the WD external hard drive. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to delete system files related to both the components. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this disk cleanup and then click open. So once open up this cleanup or drive selections, and then select the drive you want to clean up, and then select this our C drive and then click OK. And once open up this disk cleanup at our C drive, and then files to delete, and then you need to select which file you want to delete. Alright, so select, so click this box, and then you can see here at down this cleanup system files, so click this one. And then again, so select this drive and then click OK. And wait to complete the disk cleanup processing. Alright, so once it's done, and the other solutions we will do is to use System File Checker. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select this Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and next step, so you need to type or enter this command keyword as /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan disk process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan, so here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So that's why we will do this, and we will perform this SFC scan, because this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Alright, so this is recommended to use to remove those corrupted or correct those corrupted files on your computer. And finally, verifications 100% complete. So here at CMD, so all complete process, and then all you have to do is to close the CMD at here at start menu, and then you need to restart your PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix this error code 0x800701e3 during Windows setup. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.